We want you to have a memorable handover experience when you take delivery of your new vehicle. But that's just the start of what we hope will be an ongoing relationship. The term aftersales is exactly what it says, everything that happens after the vehicle is sold. We have a whole team that deals with aftersales based in each of our dealerships. Your vehicle can visit us again for annual servicing, routine maintenance, tire fitting, an air conditioning refresh, an MOT, repairs or bodywork, accessory fitting and much more. Our dedicated after-sales teams are fully trained and audited by the brands they represent, in order to give you the best possible ongoing care and attention for your vehicle. The benefit of coming back to the JCB Group for your after-sales care is that we know your vehicle inside and out. We have technicians with years of experience, who are trained by the brand and who are supplied with all the technology and tooling required to look after your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This is particularly important due to the introduction of electric vehicles. Our genuine parts come with an average of a 2-year manufacturer parts warranty and are made to measure for your make, model and trim, ensuring your vehicle remains 100% genuine. Not only do we offer the brand's service and maintenance plans, but we offer our own JCB service plan and easy-pay interest-free payment schemes too. This gives you the flexibility of more affordable monthly budgeting.
We've introduced the option of digital self-check-in kiosks to make dropping off and picking up your vehicle easier too, whilst at the same time still having our service advisors there to support you. So you see, we're not just about selling vehicles. We're committed to ensuring your vehicle ownership experience is seamless and worry-free. That's why we are your go-to destination for maintaining the peak performance of your vehicle. Book your next after-sales visit online or call your nearest dealership. Trust the JCB Group to keep your vehicle in tip-top condition for years to come. Your journey starts here. The JCB Group, innovative in automotive for over 25 years.